Hey there, if your iPad has too many screens which you have to keep swiping across, here's how you can hide them. All you need to do is press and hold in a blank space on a home screen. Then top left, go to Edit, go to Edit Pages. Now you see the home screens and each of them has a tick beneath it. Simply untick the ones you don't want to see. What happens if you try to untick the last remaining one? It won't let you. So tap the screen, tap again, and now you can see there is just the one screen and the app library. With the app library, you can still access all of your apps. You can also swipe down and search for any of your apps. And if you want to bring one or any of those screens back, simply press and hold again, go to Edit, Edit Pages, and replace the empty circles with ticks, tap away, and you can see your pages have been restored. So I hope that's helped, and if it has, please give the video a quick thumbs up, really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.